Let's solve exercise 9.1. Question 7. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed on a building are 45 and 60 degrees. Let's draw the diagram. We start with the ground and a 20-meter high building. On top of the building, we fix the transmission tower with height h. Point P is our point of observation on the ground. The angle to the bottom of the tower is 45 degrees, and the angle to the top is 60 degrees. Remember that tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. We know tangent 45 is 1. Tangent 60 is root 3. And root 3 is approximately 1.732. Our goal is to find the height of the tower h. In triangle PBC, tangent 45 equals 20 over PB. This means the horizontal distance PB is also 20 meters. In triangle PBA, tangent 60 is the total height 20 plus h divided by 20. Solving this gives h equals 20 times root 3 minus 20. By substituting 1.732 for root 3, we calculate the final height. The height of the transmission tower is 14.64 meters.